Having lunch. We eat many foods in the lunch. Having lunch. For example, we eat meat for lunch. This is meat. Meat, fish, chicken, rice, soup, carrots, beans, juice. All this food we get for lunch. Having lunch. I have lunch with my friends in the school. Lunch. Meat, fish, chicken, delicious chicken, rice, soup, delicious soup, carrots, beans, and delicious juice, orange juice, grape juice. This is juice. All this food we have for lunch. Juice, beans, carrots, soup, rice, chicken, fish, meat. For lunch. Having lunch.